Welcome to another edition of Miss M Teaches Reading. Today we're going to talk about personification. Personification is giving human qualities to animals, objects, or ideas. Our objectives today are that students can correctly identify personification, students can identify the noun being personified, students can identify the human trait or quality given, and students can identify what quality is being illuminated by the personification. Time for reading retrievals. What do we already know? We know personification is giving human traits or qualities to animals, objects, or ideas. What are we confused about? Sometimes animals and humans have common traits. Look at our example. The dog stares carefully at me. Is it personification? Nope. Dogs, like you and I, can stare. Nothing especially human about it. Introduction, our new concept, the word illuminate. When the question asks you what quality is being illuminated by the figurative language, it is asking you what is being represented. Illuminate is a fancy way of saying what does the figurative comparison suggest about the noun to which it is being compared. Let's do some clarification on that. So here's our example. The crops begged for water, but the drought continued well into the summer months. The crops is the noun that is being personified. They are being given the human quality of begging. When someone begs, it is because they need something. Therefore, the crops need water. The quality being illuminated is wilting plants. So let's go through our steps on how to identify personification. First, you identify the animal, object, or idea being personified. Second, you identify the action that makes it an example of personification. And third, you identify the quality being illuminated by the action. Let's practice. The cold has teeth. Its bite is the only thing warm enough to be mistaken for a promise. What is being personified? Cold. What human quality or trait is it given? Teeth. What quality is being illuminated about the wind? The cold doesn't physically have teeth, but it can be so cold that a cold wind could hurt as much as a bite. Therefore, the quality being illuminated is that the cold is painful. Let's review. Personification is when a writer gives human traits or qualities to animals, objects, or ideas. The first step is to identify the noun, what animal, object, or idea is being given human traits or qualities. The next step is to identify the verb or noun, what human action or trait is the noun given. And finally, when the question asks what quality is illuminated or suggested by the human trait or quality, it is asking what quality the author wants you to understand about the noun that is being personified. Now that we've reviewed, time for you to do some practice on your own.